Hey guys, are you ready to download my templates in one convenient location? Join my crafting club and you'll receive exclusive access to all of my templates. So if you're ready to start crafting, join today for your free trial. Hi guys, welcome back to another paper chaser tutorial. Today we'll be making a Valentine's Day themed sugar cookie card. So here are all the materials that you'll need. And once you've got all of your pieces cut out on desired cardstock, fold along the score line of the base piece. Now we'll take the scalloped edged heart piece and glue it centered onto the base. Now we'll take the lattice piece and glue that on top of the previous piece. I think this template is so super easy and fun. It'd be a great way to spice up your Valentine's Day cards, especially when there are so many variations you can make with this template. At the end of the video, you'll see 4 different variations, but the possibilities are endless. Now, I like to spice up the lattice piece by adding some sticker gems onto the corners of each of the crossings. So I purchase my gems from my local dollar store and they come in these strips. So I pre-cut them and begin to stick each individual gem onto the vertices of each of the lattice crossings. Again, I think these cards would be so adorable if you sent them with your kids into school, having all of them onto a plate and having your child distribute the sugar cookies around to their classmates. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you do give it a try, please tag me on Instagram at paperchaserto. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and share it with your family and friends if you have enjoyed it. And if you're really digging this channel, please subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.